Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hey Rishi, how are you?
Hello. Yeah, hi bro.
I'm
How are you?
I'm good. How are you feeling, Rishi?
I couldn't able to hear your voice properly.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now it's better.
Okay. I'm looking for sales on gold.
Bro, can you share your screen? Like, I can't share my screen today. My lap is actually bad right now.
If you give me some few minutes, I'm just on a trade.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, it is overheating. I don't know what's the issue. Are you Porsche fan?
Not really. This one of my friend recently got this car. Very uncomfortable for me to sit inside, but a beautiful looking. I don't. This my editor just put it across both the sides.
Uh,
I would not buy one, but I do enjoy this. I'm more of a SUV lover.
oh, what's your favorite SUV then?
Defender right now, if in India, I'll probably get that. You're still sick.
Yeah, hello, Raya.
Once.
Are you sharing your screen, bro?
Yeah, I thought my screen is getting shared right now. No? Oh, it got stopped.
Uh, yeah.
I'm just taking time. Let's wait for it. Like, you saw the yesterday's moment after Trump's goal just shot up yesterday. So I have taken a.
Yesterday I haven't watched the charts.
Hmm?
Yesterday I haven't watched the charts.
So I'm actually on shorts, a very short SL. I'm halfway through. TB is below this liquidity. I'm hoping it will take it, but let's see.
Uh,
New York is going to open in another 30, 40 minutes. No, in another 1 hour.
okay.
Let's see what market is up to. I think we have very less stream people today. Let me just ask community.
Guys, if you have any doubts, you can just ask in the chat box. We'll try to answer. Okay. So like I've seen your screen recording. Like after hitting $100,000, like you just like shown the verified link also because of the
Yeah,
recent controversy.
yeah. There's a lot of controversy. I didn't want to answer them with videos or anything. Just my single payout certificate will shut up most of the people. I thought. It is
so,
very
so I was just seeing like the whole dashboard thing, like logging in and showing.
okay. Are you? I'm coming to Chennai tomorrow. If you're free, we can meet.
No, like for the next at least 3 or 4 months, like I can't, bro. My mom was undergoing treatment, so
Okay.
I won't be available.
Okay. So Nasdaq, I had a sell in the morning. I'll just explain that trade logic if you want.
Sorry.
Nasdaq, I had a sell in the morning. So like
Okay.
morning I took a sell. So there was this clear rejection here, and I placed my sell like shorts from here. This candle. My sell was just above this week. Okay, just above this week and this
Bro,
level.
like your screen, like it's frozen.
Oh, I don't know. Okay, I think the streaming is taking time.
No, it is showing the search tab, like simple search tab.
Yeah, yeah. Even I can see that. Okay, wait. Let me just stop it and try to reshare again. Same day targeting liquidity. Okay, for the gold, right? Same. My trade idea is same. The TP is the downside liquidity, and up if it breaks the structure, it is yeah. So this is the trade currently I am at. Does it change if I shift to Nasdaq? Okay, this was my morning trade. I actually closed. So my TP level was somewhere here, but I closed a
Okay.
little bit above. So the whole idea is there was like a lot of rejection, and my on a 1 minute, I would have got a beautiful entry. And my TP
No,
was just above this previous resistance chain support. So
clean.
like I could have went for buys, but I was not very confident with buys. So I just took profit and just let that day run. Right now, still market is not able to break this above. I would probably looking to short from here because one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight rejections. Okay, on 1 minute, even on 30 minutes, 10 minutes, there will be I should buy this one. Rejection, I'll probably short and look for a downside momentum. But if it breaks this level, I'm looking to long. That is the whole
Oh,
idea
okay.
for Nasdaq. But right now, it is still very uncertain. Gold, I have entered, but I think gold is giving me a bad momentum right now. I think, okay, I'm able to only share one tab. So I have to stop and reshare if I have to share gold.
Or else like share your entire screen.
That is very risky. So what is some screen I go to? Gold is doing its move. Let's don't come break even. So what's up happening, chat? By the way, funding to 20 is going on. If you guys want to grab it, grab it. Pretty good deal. I lost my 100K yesterday, day before yesterday. I might buy a 200K in this sale. No gold, no, don't go up. Your internet is bad or what, Rishi? Or my internet is bad?
Let me check. Right.
Chat, are you guys able to hear me speak?
My internet is good, bro. My ping is also good. Tradin, Rishi, what's your view on PTC? I don't trade crypto, but let me check. But every day I'll be getting notifications from Binance. PTC is up, PTC is down.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
BTC is ranging. Oh,
Currently, it is actually near a very good support level, 60,000,
yeah.
and it is consolidating.
Holy crow.
If you ask me, like overall, the bias is still bearish, but also the market is in a key level. So there are high chances that the market may reverse also. So it's better wait and watch. If it is reversing, you may capture a good move too on the buy side. But overall, the bias is still bearish. Hello, today view. The Shivi is lagging. Oh, I think my internet is bad. Can you able to hear me, bro?
Yeah, I can hear you, but okay, now you are very little clear.
Okay.
Like today view, I'm on a gold trade. It's went halfway and it's trying to reverse, but still I hold this trade. I strongly believe it should grab the bottom liquidity and then go up because there is liquidity available there. So I'm just hoping it will sweep and then push up. How
Oh,
to scale up accounts faster in futures trading? Bro, we are here to talk about funding pips and CFD. So if you have any questions around that, you can ask. This face cam have
I think
something issue, I think.
problem is with my internet, bro. Like, I'll just rejoin. Just give me. I'll
Okay,
leave
sure.
and yeah.
Rishi trade breakdown. I don't think Rishi is on a trade. I am on a trade with gold. I told you why I took a sell and where I'm targeting. But looks like it's not going in my favor. It went almost in my favor. I was trying to capture a 400 pip move, but again it is reversing. Actually, it was a book for a buy also. Okay. Selling levels for you guys. I'm actually on sell from my level, but if it breaks up above, I will look for buys. Anand bro, trade breakdown, please. You can just go little 5 minutes behind. I have explained it. Let's look at BTC what it is doing. So BTC, okay, this was my earlier TP level, but $60,000 is actually a very good psychological level. That's why it rejected it. It's still in a downward trajectory, but would you look at a day candle? Oh, why I marked because it was okay, perfect. Okay, we are here. We are ranging for the past couple of days. It's pretty much obvious. It's building liquidity up, liquidity down. So any side it break out, sweeps and probably move. I would happily wait on break of this, retest this level, then probably I'll look for buy. It's a easy $10,000 move. from here to here, which can happen in 3 to 4 days. But also Trump is there. He might even push it like in a 5 minute scandal also. You never know. I would look for buys from this level. If it breaks and sustain at this level, I will look for buys. So my bias is by currently like slightly bullish. Let's see how that's gonna work out. And growth rate breakdown, I think I already explained that. Let's look at gold, what gold is doing. 20 to 13, come on, gold, go down. Rishi's back.
Am I clear now, bro?
Yeah, yeah. But your
Great.
video is still laggy, but voice I was able to hear properly.
Okay. In 4 hours, like gold is actually showing a very good bullish sign.
Yeah,
But the liquidity is not that good, right? It is very slow. I think probably like we should wait for US market to open. And today, like, have you checked the Nifty, bro? Indian market.
I don't look at Nifty.
It's up 1,600 points, 3% more in a single day.
Okay. I'll be cutting at 4190 range because that is good enough for me. Come on, push down. 150. Let's go. Let's Let's go. I'm feeling very lazy today. What keyboard you have, man? Such a loud keyboard.
It's Mac. It's Mac keyboard.
Mac keyboard are the softest. I think you're hitting the keyboard like that. Anand bro, can you explain your strategy in easy and simple terms? So my strategy is pretty straightforward. What I do is I mark my zones. This one I marked. Okay, so I mark my zones. Zones are primarily, I really like key levels, basically where market is on an uptrend, suddenly it changes direction and drops on a different direction. So that time, a lot of pending orders, or you guys can call it liquidity, will be left. So those levels are my primary, favorite levels, I would say. So right now, I mark this level. Okay. So right now, my concept is like market is bullish, but I'm expecting to pull down a bit in order to make a bigger move because a lot of liquidity. See, there is a big movement here, and there is one, two, three, four, five, six. No, not five. One, two, three, four, five areas. So market, I believe market come has to come here in order to move it upward trajectory. It should come here, take out all the orders, then it moves up. So that is the whole idea. So it rejected in my key level, which was very good. So I entered shorts, and I'm targeting till this key level. Then probably I will look for longs. This is the current trade idea I have. I'm already in a trade. It's running at 200 pips. I need another 100 more pips to probably make some money or pass a eval, so whichever works. Then I'll probably wait till this level, or I will start layering. Like for example, I usually take two or three lots, so I'll take 0.77, 0.77, and final 0.77 here and stop loss here. So this is just a trade idea I'm giving. Let's see how that works out. I'm still on sales, haven't moved to buys. I will look for buys somewhere in this range, 183 to 175. In this range, I'll look for buys. SL is just below 168 or 165. This is my ideal trade execution today. Before I used to have complicated strategy, fib levels, this, that. Right now, these levels are pretty much, like I risk a percent. Most I have around 60% win rate. One is to two or three I target. Easy money. It's not easy like it sounds, but yeah, the strategy whatever I follow, like I try to keep it as simple as possible. Is the chat stuck or people are not typing anything?
Hmm?
Is the chat stuck or people are not typing anything?
I don't know. The last question I can able to see is like Anand bro, can you explain your strategy in
Uh,
easy and simple?
same thing I'm able to see. Okay, I think that's the last question.
Yeah.
So how did anyone make some money on this gold sell? I think from the level we started stream, it moved like 60, 70. Rishi, what's your entry model? Come on, Rishi. Do your magic. Tell the big story.
My entry model is Arisha goal will fall again till that level after this aggressive buying.
Bro, I'm not. Are you sure? I don't know. I'm not the market maker, but this is my trade area. Yes. This much I have risk. Yes. This much profit I'm expecting. Yes. But even I don't know. Even Trump can't be uncertain of this. But I'm just telling. These are just the trade areas how we are executing. It doesn't mean that market has to happen the way we are telling. If it happens, I'm making profit. If it's not, I'm making a loss. That's it.
Okay, so my entry model, it's very simple, but I use ICT concepts to train. Uh,
How is ICT concept simple?
in simple, like it is actually similar to retail concepts. Like you can relate all the retail terms with ICT terms too, but not everything. Like some concepts are very similar. The main thing why I use ICT is time-based models. Like I personally like ICT compared to retail concepts. Like time is more important here. For
Mm-hmm.
example, like the 9:30 a.m. open, or if you're trading macros, the 20-minute window. I personally don't trade silver blood, but silver blood is also a very good scalping model, and Asian session AM model. So the time-based models, like I personally like ICT. That is the only thing I like when it comes to ICT. Other than that, like when it comes to the technical terms, like I use retail concepts. For example, instead of considering liquidity and all, like I just use normal support and resistance. Like I just mark key levels and higher time frames. So technical part, anything is same. Anything is fine. Like even you can use indicators or normal price action. The only thing that I like about ICT is time models. That's it. And when it comes to my entry model, it's very simple. Like I usually scalp either in 1 minute or 3 minutes. 3 minutes is quite rare, but in very rare scenario, like I'll scalp in 3 minutes too. So I'll refer higher time frame first, like either 1 hour or 4 hours, and I'll look out for the bias, like whether the market is an uptrend or downtrend or range. So let's say if the market is an uptrend, I look for a manipulation on the lows. Like I'll just mark key levels in higher time frame, like 1 hour time frame. I'll just mark the sell liquidities, like or support levels, and I'll wait for the market to trap those levels. Like I'll just wait for the market to sweep those lows, and then it should reverse on the higher side. So in that case, I'll either enter once there is an inversion fair value gap, or I'll just enter in an IR, like any retracement. So this is my entry model. Simple. This is my entry model. And if you want me to define retail terms, like I'll look for high time frame bias, and then I'll mark support levels. I'll wait for the support level to break, and it should give a fake breakout. So if it is giving me a fake breakout, I'll enter and I'll target the highs. This is my entry
Rishi,
model.
Rishi, can you explain me the AM model? Even I wanted to know about the AM model, and I think your internet is still very bad. You can't share, I guess, I mean, to explain properly.
My laptop is actually very bad right now. I don't know why. Like, see, I plugged in the charger around 4:30 p.m. When it was 9%. Now it's now it's only 20%. Still, like I don't know why it is not charging, and it is heating up very frequently. That's why I couldn't able to share now.
Mm-hmm. But can you just like tell me what exactly like in overall?
AM model, like I used to trade gold and then Nasdaq during Asian session. These are the two pairs that I look for entries during Asian session. Also, you can if you're into forex, you can also trade Japanese pairs too in the Asian session. Those pairs will give you good moves. So when it comes to Asian model, like I personally like end dog. I mean gaps. I personally like gaps to trade because like the gaps are most likely to fill in those liquidity zones. So when the market opens, even though the forex market is 24 hours, like you'll be having 1 hour time window, right? So I'll use the time window. What I'll do is I'll just wake up around 4 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. Not every day. In some cases, like even if I'm not having sleep, not like if I don't feel like sleeping, then I'll sit in the charts. So what I'll do is I'll wait till 4:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time, and I'll wait for the market to open. And sorry, I'll just watch the charts, and I'll find gaps. That is the most important part. Mostly, I look for gaps on Mondays because like Friday the market will close, and Monday it will open with a gap up or gap down. So let's say if there is a gap up, Initially, I'll wait for a small rally to happen on the higher side. If there is a gap up, I'll wait for a rally to happen on the higher side, and I'll wait for a reversal to happen. Reverse entries, like I'll just wait for a reversal to happen. For example, like when it comes to IC terms, like we'll just wait for a structure shift to happen. Then the market will again go to a retracement part, which is premium zone. Then there I'll either mark farewell cap or OTE or breaker blocks. And if it is rejecting those levels, I'll enter and I'll target the gaps. The probability is high. You won't get entries frequently, but when it is giving you entry, the probability will be very high. Mostly I'll trade Monday. I'm audible, right?
Yeah, Rishi.
Oh, my voice is clear. My face cam. Okay, I'll repair. Have you updated iOS 27, bro? I think beta users got it.
No.
How you guys manage fear and pressure while handling multiple fund account give up? Once you blown many accounts like that, and then there won't be any fear at all. If you fail, that's it. Like just go and buy another account. This is what I'll do. But regarding like actual psychology, like keep your risk very low. If you're trading multiple fund accounts, like keep your risk very low. What do you think about? We can't talk about other problems. Sorry.
Gold is showing some pullback. Okay. But I'm just want to leave the trade. Let's see what will happen. Okay, how I manage the fear. Okay, first thing, guys, like there are two things which I have, which just personally have improved my trading. One thing, not to put every money on a single trade or a single profit account. If I am trading 100K, my bank should have at least 10 100K's money. Now you guys will tell, hey Anand, I'm not as rich as you. Then go with 5K. There is nothing wrong with it. 5K, have 10 5K backup balance. That is like 30,000 rupees. Correct? Have that backup. Then your trading will be very smooth on that particular account. And you still say, I don't have that much money, then bro, it is very hard for you to start trading. Then there is another way. You can buy a 5K account and risk like very very less, like 1% per trade fixed. I usually keep around 2% on evals, so you can go with 1%. This is one. Another thing is, whenever I enter a trade, I usually expect stop loss. I don't manifest stop loss, but I anticipate stop loss, and I've already predetermined the risk. Okay, this account I'm risking 1,000. If SL hits, okay, I'll be totally fine because I am anticipating SL. But a lot of people, what they think before even they place the trade, they like, okay, TP this much money I'll get. I will make this. I will buy this iPhone, or I'll spend this money like this. So what happens is, you psychologically you expect so much out of it. Just assume like this. Just assume in the evening you're just going to the home after school. You're expecting, okay, school bell is ringing. I'll go. I'll spend my evening like this, and suddenly your teacher extends your class by another 1 hour. How you know that feeling? You guys know how frustrating it will be. Same thing happens for trading. So when you guys start anticipating, okay, TP hits, I make $1,000. Oh, I pass phase one. Oh, I'll spend it on iPhone. So when your SL hits, your world crumbles, and you go on that chaotic mode, and you just bust accounts. You don't look at the entry models. You don't look at anything. Will just go crazy. So what I recommend is always expect stop loss. TP is just a byproduct which helps you making money. Just don't daydream and start entering trades. See, right now, see, a lot of people were very asking questions that will it go down? Look at the gold going down. Trust your process. See, I've been trading gold, so I know these levels. I know how gold will react. But right now, before New York opens, I'll exit my trade because New York, any direction the market can go. So whoever is in the live would have taken this trade. They're already up 150 pips. And this is my entry model. Rishi's entry model is completely different. So guys, I think I might have to leave now. Rishi, if you have anything, you can just. I exited my trade. It can still go little 50 pips down, but if it's on profits, I would happily exit because I have to head out. Chalo guys,
Yeah,
nice.
yeah, you can end the stream. That's fine.
Bye, 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 guys. See you.
Okay, guys. Like, see you in another day, probably next week. And if you have made profit this week, like, please stick with the profit because today is Friday and it's a weekend. So don't ruin the profit. And if you made loss, like, just make sure that the loss is very low. Okay, so touch some grass. Don't stick with the charts alone. Just go out. Yeah, that's it. Okay, see you all in next week. Bye bye. Have a nice weekend.